Hello everybody, today we're going to pick a challenge lock. Let's get the vise out. This one is pinned by Bronx-LockPicker 60, 9617, and he calls this one the Sapien, which roughly translates to the being. So let's see what kind of being is inside this lock. If we can get it in a vise here. Love to get me a new pan of ice, but this one works pretty good. So I'm not complaining. Just pick it at an angle here. Yale key weight. It's got a little click, but it's smooth. Smooth. I'm going to go with the what is this? The offset hybrid from Sparrows, and the 40 thousandths pry bar from Peterson. Actually, the 50 might work. Nope. Usually doesn't. Alright, with the right end. Insert right end. Okay, here we go. Going to the back. Got nothing from 5. Got a little rotation from 4. Some counter from 3. And a click. Got a click out of 1. Seems like it wants a little more though. Nope. And a click from 4. Got a click from 5. Got a nice false set. 3, nothing. 2, nothing. 4. Ooh. Felt like counter from 4, but I was mistaken. It's like counter from 5. Got a click from him. Dropped a couple of other guys here. Might have to switch to something a little steeper. A little steeper yet. Click from 3. 2 gave me some slight rotation. 1. Nothing much from 1. Click from 3, some rotation on the core. A little click from 4. Let's go to the gym. Reset. Click from 4. A little bit out of 3. Got some rotation on the core out of 1. Counter rotation from 3 and a click. Click out of 3 again. Click at a 2, 1, and we're open. Nice. See if I can get this. My battery's running low, so hopefully we can gut this out pretty quick without it dying. It's giving me the flashing light. Oh, gotta get rid of these. Some locks I'm building and working on. I'm trying to get them back stock. Clip removal tool. I have to try something different here. Got the clip off. Heat rushing around here. Might forget something. Oh, I already forgot something. I'm not even showing you guys what's going on here. Shoot. Alright. Zoom out. Sorry about that, guys. Technical difficulties. Alright. Started dumping stuff out. Follower. Oh no. Uh-oh. I messed this one up. Ooh, almost messed it up. Let's get that T-pin back in there. My shim didn't go all the way through. Snagged up on a T-pin. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get these lined up. Ducks in a row. Switched around, core, everything's threaded. 1 through 5. Going upstairs to the Bible. Got a nice serrated with a steel spring. Camera's got me all paranoid with this blinking light. Bear with me, camera. Dumb camera told me it was full charge, and then you get making a video. Just a heads up, if it cuts out, I probably won't show the rest of these springs. Just because I'm being lazy. Here goes my shim. Go for number 5. And 4. Alright, make an adjustment, zoom in on the pins, do a little roll call. Alright, number 1 was a reduced diameter T-pin at the top with a double spool. Here's a, it's a spool, another double mushroom spool. Here's the spool with a couple serrations. Here's a T-pin multiple serrated. The drivers, we got a multiple serrated T-pin. Another T-pin with a mini spool. Spool T-pin. Another T-pin, a step down T-pin. What is that? Double serrated. In the springs we got a steel, copper, and a steel. Yeah? Thank you, Bronx-LockPicker, for sending me this lock, pinning it up. It's great lock for the community. It's an awesome little challenge. Everybody, be well and behave. Thank you. Goodbye.